want to personalize your truck and make it look more aggressive? Look no further. The Land Rover Defender 90 Carbon Wide Body First Edition by Kahn Design could be just what you have been looking for. Here is a list of what the kit includes. 2-piece front bumper vents and 3-piece front bumper lower valance. Vented grille mask. 22-inch Type 57 RS forged alloy wheels. Mudflap set. Quad performance exhaust system. Hard wheel cover for the spare. Signature Kahn exterior satin finish. Front and rear seats reupholstered in red Designo leather. Extended leather pack. Front carbon wide wings. Rear carbon wide wings. Volcanic rock black pack. For more information and pricing, you can visit Kahn Automobile's website,